Advanced acceptance INO need acceptance. When the customer comes with a 3-day inspection plan, but returns satisfied within 3 hours, this saves not only time, more importantly, trust in absolute precision. What should I do if the workpiece deforms? Scanning in seconds, automatic compensation, precise and worry-free. Are you afraid of damage from accidental collision? Intelligent collision avoidance, automatic protection, reliable operation. Is it easy for small pieces to fall off during cutting? Micro connection technology, sturdy and stable, with neat material dropping.